especially for you, when you collaborate with a label like T Series, how special is it for you? Because bachpan se sunte aaye hain, everybody loves this.
Yeah, exactly. Literally from childhood, we've been seeing the songs come out with T-series on TVs, and we never knew we would be the ones, coming down with the track, especially with the man himself. I mean, it's a blessing, man. I'm just really happy that this is happening, and this is just a beginning. That's all I gotta say. There's a lot more to do, and there's a lot more that we're gonna come out with together. And yeah, man. I hope you guys are not sleeping. Like, I can't. Exactly. Yeah, please, man. Let's do that, yeah.
Okay, guys, funny story. So we went on set, first time meeting Karan, and before even meeting him, the director told me, "Ma'am, Karan ko dance nahi karna hai. Mat karo, try mat karna." So I was like, "Oh, okay." Then I immediately went to him, met him, introduced myself. Hi, how are you? Good. Karan, I want you to dance in the video. See that? And he's like, what? I said, yes, aapko dance karna hai. He's like, okay. Then Rajit also went up to him and was like, it's just one small move, right? One small move. But then he ended up doing it and he did it so well. Did you guys see it? Wasn't he so good? Like all that swag and everything. And even, you know what the funny part is? When we were doing the take, I'd forgotten the move some 2-3 times. Like I messed it up. And he was just going for it. Like fully with the clap and the shoulders, and I was like looking at him like, oh, he's gonna take my throne.
No, that was fun actually. Well, that was the only step that I knew how to do, and I was doing it for 2 hours before that, so you know what I mean. But yeah, thank you so much, Nora, on helping me with this. There's a lot to say, but I'm just happy that this project came together, and I just want to thank Bhushan Bhaji, obviously Nora, and Neha for sure. We've been working on this for a while, but yeah, I'm just happy that it came all together, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna top the charts, and I can't wait for the reaction of the audience.
Let me give you some good news here that the song's already trending on YouTube and
Let's
everywhere.
go.
Give it up for I Hi, ladies and
Let's
gentlemen.
go.
Of course, that's the song. Now we're already trending, and this song is I Hi. So I'm sure you get all these compliments every now and then. I Hi, kya kar rahe ho, keh da rahe ho? What do you have to say about this song?
I'm obsessed. I genuinely am obsessed. When Sir sent me the song the first time, I heard it. I was like, the lyrics, amazing, vibe, amazing. Sab kuch, matlab, alag hai. It's an energetic, flirty, fun song, and I really wanted to do a song like this after so long. And then I heard the second version, which was with Neha Kakkar's voice. I said, oh my god, this is a hit. And I have to do this song. So shooting with Karan was such a vibe on set. I think when you see this video, you'll see us laughing in some shots, smile. This was all real, because we really connected. We really had a good time. I love everything about the video, the aesthetics, the choreography, the styling, the way it was choreographed. And I just love our pairing in the video. I think the chemistry was eye-high, like literally.
Eye-high, literally eye-high, of course.
Yeah, it was just too good. Of course, and Neha's voice was just superb.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Hi. आप सब लोग इतने कमाल के आप लोगों की क्या बोलते हैं इन्फ्लुएंस है, इतने सारे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, इतने सारे अमेजिंग आर्टिस्ट यहाँ पर हैं, तो पहले तो बिग वेलकम. आई थिंक आप सब सारा प्यार डिजर्व करते हो और सारी अपलॉज डिजर्व करते हो, उसके लिए तालियां बजा लो आप सब. और थैंक यू सो मच. आप हमारे इतने दिल से पेश किए हुए गाने को प्यार देने आए हैं. सो बिग थैंक यू टू ईच वन ऑफ यू. एंड दिस मैन राइट हियर इज अ स्टार. You all know, right? He's been killing it. करण औजला. और करण औजला का गाना हो और मतलब नेहा कक्कर उसमें अभी तक नहीं आई, तो ये तो मतलब हो ही नहीं सकता था ना, तो आना ही था नेहा कक्कर.
I'm lucky to have you, honestly. It's been a dream to work with you both from day one. Obviously, you're my senior in music too. I think you're older than me too a little bit. It's okay.
मारूंगी करण.
But no, honestly, yeah.
That is true. We all are older than अब ठीक है
But
जो है,
honestly,
जो है।
I'm only learning from the best. But thank you again, Neha. You know, I
Pleasure,
really want to
pleasure.
thank you for doing this for me. Honestly, I would love to say that she didn't even ask me one question. Same for you, Nora. Like, you know, I thought like, you know, Neha ka kid thodi se nakhre, but you know, she showed me love. You know, so it's lots of love for you. You know, thank you for doing this on just one phone call.
Pleasure. You know, I always say, मुझे ये बात बोलनी थी, you know, करण, मैं ज़रा राइट पे आ जाऊँ, मेरा राइट प्रोफाइल ज़्यादा अच्छा है। Okay, तो you know, I've seen so many people talking about Karan's writing. You know, but of course, क्या होता है ना, राइटिंग जो होती है ना करण, काफ़ी सारी मेजॉरिटी को समझ आती है, बट जो कॉम्पोजिशन समझने वाले लोग होते हैं वो बहुत कम होते हैं. एंड आई नेहा कक्कर वांट टू से दिस, Karan Aujla is not just a great writer, he's a great composer too. और मुझे भूषण सर को थैंक यू बोलना था. As always, he's given the biggest songs. Sir and I, we've done the biggest songs in the industry. हमने millions and millions करे हैं, और ये गाना तो यहीं से तीसरी से ही आना बनता था. And Nora, what a star you are. Oh my God, what a performer she is. Guys, क्या perform करती है Nora. Big round of applause for Nora, everyone.
Give it up.
Amazing. बहुत सारा मैं बात करती हूँ क्योंकि मैं इतना बात करने को मिलती नहीं हूँ सबको. आई डोंट गिव इंटरव्यूज एंड एवरीथिंग, बट हियर मेरा बहुत सारा प्यार है इस गाने के लिए, और बहुत सारा प्यार है फॉर टी सीरीज एंड यू नो बोथ ऑफ यू
एंटरटेनमेंट
गाइस.
ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜੀ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਖਬਰ ਲਈ ਸਾਡਾ ਫੇਸਬੁੱਕ ਪੇਜ ਬਾਲੀਵੁੱਡ ਤੜਕਾ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਰੋ, YouTube ਚੈਨਲ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ ਤੇ Instagram ਪੇਜ ਨੂੰ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰੋ.